Hey guys, I'm Derek, Arnett-Enid, New Holland, Service Manager, and I'm here today with Tracy Kemp and Seth Olson. They are our Master Hay Techs, and they're going to show you some steps on maintaining and setting up your balers so you'll have a good use of this product out in the field.
Hi, this is Seth Olson. I'm a service technician for Enid, New Holland. I'm going to be going over a simple maintenance practice on the RB560 round baler. The main gearbox right here up to the front requires 75/90 oil, and how you check it is this Allen wrench plug right here on the side. All you do is get you an 8mm Allen wrench socket, take this plug out, and you should see the oil at the bottom of the hole. If you don't see any oil there, just go ahead and fill it up to where it starts running out. Put your plug back in. And once you get your oil level to where you want it, it's a good idea to go ahead and remove the vent on top of the gearbox. Make sure doesn't have any restrictions. It's not plugged up in any way, because if that gets plugged up, you're gonna start blowing seals out of the gearbox itself. And that's an easy way to check your gearbox.